Okay? Mommy gets tired. I have to get ready too. I have to clean. I have to take a shower. You gotta let mommy do these things, okay? You're not gonna cry no more? You're gonna stop crying? Okay? Please stop crying. Finally, you're talking to me. Okay? Do we have a deal? If I go now, would you cry again? Huh? You know, I can't be carrying you all the time. I love carrying you. Yeah, I love carrying you. Believe me, I do. But I can't do it all the time. You know, you have to be on your own too sometimes. Yeah, and watch TV, and you know, look at your little colorful toys, and soon you could pick them up, put them in your mouth. Okay? Ooh, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you again. Ooh, another God bless you. Saludinari amor. Yeah. Okay. I love you. And your daddy's on his way. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna leave, okay? Okay? I love you. Bye. I'll be back later. I have to try to look for clothes. It's a little messy. Now you calm? He was crying so much before I turned on the camera. Now you okay? Huh? You look so fat. You look so fat. You gained so much weight. God, you gained so much weight. I love it. You look closer. Oh. Say bye. Bye, fat boy. Huh? You gonna get mad again?